Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. You yourself descend to propagate the transcendental science of devotional service unto the hearts of the advanced transcendentalists and material speculators who are purified by being able to discriminate between matter and spirit. How then can we women know you perfectly?
So, Kunti Devi sees submissively. This is the symptom of Vaishnava. The Lord Krishna has come to Kunti Devi to take the dust of her feet, because Krishna considers Kunti Devi as her aunt. To show her respect, Krishna used to touch the feet of Kunti Devi. But Kunti Devi, although she is in such exalted position, practically on the level of Jasodamai, such a great devotee, so she is so submissive that Krishna, you are meant for the Paramhansas. And what we can see, we are women. So, as it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Striya Vaishyas Tatha Shudra. In another place in the Bhagavad, it is said, Sri Shudra Dijabandhuna. Shudra, Sri and Dijabandhu. Dijabandhu means those who are born in Brahmin family or Kshatriya family, high caste. According to Vedic system, there are 4 divisions. Chaturvarnam maya system gunakar. According to quality and war, the first class man is the Brahmana, intelligent. The next Kshatriya, the next Vaishya, the next Shudra. So, according to this classification, woman, Shudra and Dijabandhu, they are taken in the same category. Dijabandhu means born in Brahmin family, Kshatriya family, but has no qualification. The thing is to be considered by qualification. It is very practical. Suppose one man is born the son of a high court judge. So it does not mean that because he is a son of a high court judge, he is also high court judge. This is going on. Because one happens to take birth in a Brahmin family, without any qualification, he claims to become a Brahmin. That is the fall down of Vedic civilization in India. A rascal number 1, he is claiming that he is Brahmin, without any qualification. His qualification is less than a Shudra, still he is claiming, and that is being accepted. So, it is clearly stated, guna karma vibhagas, without qualification. The Brahmana means the qualification. It is not this body. There are so many arguments, but they won't hear. They are very much against in my movement, because I am making Brahmins from Europe and America. They are against me. But don't care. We don't care for them. Neither any reasonable man will care for them. But there is a propaganda against me, even amongst my God brothers. They are making, because they cannot do it, so find out some fault, you see. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.